Hey, what's going on, everyone? So, today, I'm going to open up these two 5-packs, take a closer look at those. Then I've never opened up one of these type of things here, so I'm going to open this up, take a closer look at this. And then also, there are a few Matchbox cars I picked up today that will also open as well. So, let's get into Hot Wheels Motor Show. Go for that first. And then there's a little trick that I learned from watching a hotline. A little perforated line here you can use to open these 5-packs up. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Boom. There we go. Gonna lose that little hook part, but these can still stand up. And put them right back in the package. So, first off, we have the 2017 Acura NSX. It's in white. We got both rear and front on this because there's no side graphics or anything. So we got both the rear and the front done up. Nice. And there's a little trap on the window there. Windows down. That looks pretty good. Then we got Corvette C8R in blue. This looks like, we got some lensed headlights on this. That's cool. Yeah, that's probably part of the window. That's nice. Nothing on the back, because we do have the stripe graphics on the top there. Corvette across the top of the windshield. Got the logo right there. Pretty nice. Just a single seater. This is a racing style car. Ooh, well, it's got a smooth roll to it. Then we got the Aston Martin Vantage GTE. This is in yellow, a little bit of red. We do have front lights. Nothing on the back. Just a 2-seater. There we go. Pretty smooth roll on that one as well. And here we go. This one looks nice. The McLaren Senna and all black. Other than the yellow on the rims there, but nice. Nothing on the front there other than the logo. Got the logo right there. It's got a clear top. It's got this is a 2-seater. So I can get that to show up. And then we do have rear lights on this one. And the swing on the back is metal, as well as on the Aston Martin and the Corvette. All metal wings on those. And then the last one for this 5-pack is the 2020 Jaguar F-Type. This one's got the rear and front because it has no other extra graphics or anything. So we got the rear lights. And we got the front. An area what it would be like a Jaguar logo, but it's just kind of just a blank circle. But there you have that. Pretty nice red on this though. That's nice. So then we can go ahead and just line these back up in here. There are spots on there that they fit specifically into on this particular type of insert thing. Okay, and then we can go ahead and put it right back inside. I can still display it in the package. And it is open, but you know, open it from the top like that and still put it on a display of some sort. And then we have the Matchbox 5-pack here, the Matchbox Japan Cruisers. And this one, Matchbox 1 doesn't necessarily have that perforated line, but go ahead and open it from the top. That way we can go ahead and pop them back in, just like we did with the Hot Wheel one there. Right, there we go. Just like that. Of course, with this we have 71 Nissan Skyline 2000 GTX up here at the top of the pack. This is in blue. No rear or front stuff, but that's because we got all these cool graphics on the side. There's a Matchbox something classic. Japanese nostalgic car. Some Japanese writing on the back there. There's some stuff here. I'm not really sure what all that is, but this is still pretty cool. Awesome. And of course, it's always going to be awesome because it is a Skyline. Very cool. And also, I recently made a little short video, the little lineup of some of my Skylines with the new Japan Historic Skyline in the background. And then next up, we have this Honda Civic Type R in pink. This one we do get the rear and front details because there's no other graphics on this. So we got the rear right here. Yeah. Nice. Inside looks pretty good too. What I can tell, right-hand drive. And I'm sure that, right-hand drive as well. And we got the front details. Nice. Pretty nice. And then we got the Subaru police car. Subaru Impreza. Do have front lights. Got the logo up there. Little kind of license plate with like Japanese writing on it. Kind of fingers in the way there, but yeah. I'm not really showing up too well on here, but some Japanese writing on the little plate there. Of course, I got the police deco on the side. The Matchbox logo in the back. Car number 58. Nothing on the back. And then, pretty sure this is like Matchbox in Japanese here on the other side. That's cool. This is actually left-hand drive on this one, though. Not too bad. Then this white car here is the 2019 Mazda 3. This is in white. This one's got full rear and front. The logo and the taillights. Then we got the front side there. Left-hand drive. Roll. Not too bad. And then lastly from this 5-pack, we have the Toyota 4Runner. 1985 Toyota 4Runner. Nothing on the front or the rear, because we do have the side graphics. Left-hand drive on this one. got that weird, it's got that little support beam in the back there. Sunroof. Not too bad. A little rolly roll. Nice. So now we can just, that's the Matchbox. That's going to go in the opposite direction. Then we can put it back inside the package to still have a display. Okay. There we go. See? Bam. And right back inside we have that. Then we'll get that pink slips last. I did pick up these today at Family Dollar. One of those shippers. These cards are like super, as you can see, they're way bent, so I'm not worried about keeping these on the card too much, so we're just going to pop these open. This is the 16 Chevy Camaro convertible with the Crybaby. There's like a sour candy gum thing. Ooh, that's a nice blue on this. It's good wheels. Yellow interior. And none of these are going to have any of the front or rear because of all the graphics on them, but still pretty cool. Let's set you back there. We got the 64 Austin Mini Cooper. This is a Charleston shoe, the livery thing, deco, whichever you want to call it. It's cool. Oh, it's got like a half window. Right-hand drive. Pretty smooth roller. Then we got the 2019 Ford Mustang Coupe. This has the razzles on it. This type of candy. It's kind of like a sour candy. It's kind of similar to like Sweet Tarts or Shockers, I think that was what they were called. Similar to that kind of. Kind of like you took like Sweet Tarts and Shockers and like, yeah, kind of a mashup of those two, kind of, I think. But that's what razzles are. We got a bit of a tinted windows on there. That's pretty nice. Yeah, that's a very nice blue on this. Kind of got a little bit of a shine to it. Yeah, that's a very nice blue. Especially under the light here. Oh, yeah. All right, and finally, the 95 Mazda RX-7 from the Jada pink slips. So let's, okay, well, there's a piece of tape on there. All right, let's take a closer look at one of these. Come on out the package. Does not want to come out. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to destroy this box. Oh well. That's why this part was, this side was taped to the frickin' thing there. I don't need too many tools to open this. Alright, normal size screw, that's good. I tried to open it at M2 and then I couldn't get out the base because I didn't have a screwdriver small enough. At least not within reach at the time I made the video. This I should be able to get with this. Oh yeah, there we go. Get that off the little thing that it's on here. Oh, come on. Ah, there we go. Now it's off. All right. Let's take a closer look at one of these. Who's the actual manufacturer of one of these is what I've always wanted to find out. This one is actually made by Jada, because the pink slips of the 164 variety are actually majorette. So I was always curious as to who the actual manufacturer was on these bigger ones, and it's actually Jada themselves. Shows right down the bottom, Jada. Mazda RX-7 used under license, scale 132. Nice. These are feel like rubber tires. Got tail lights on the back here. Pink slips where like a license plate would be at. Got lens tail lights. Lens headlights. There's some good looking wheels on there. Nice color on this. Fuel tank on the left there. Right hand drive. Right, oh yep, the doors open up. Good looking side of there. Passenger side. Oh, there's even like a little dash screen, a computer screen dealy. Over by on the other left side of the steering wheel there. I don't know if you can make that out. Get the little stickers off the door. Let's get this up. Nice. All right. This is pretty cool. There you have it. There's one of these opened up. Thank y'all for watching, and good luck, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.